We're back now and we're going to talk about models of deduction. Maybe some of you have already heard of models, some of you already learned about models, but let's remind you again what are models. Here we have some examples. These are the models that we often use: must, can, may, might, and could. For the present, this is the one that we use the most. Models and verb 1. It's used for saying how certain or sure we are about things that happen in the present. For example, I can bake a cake. I'm sure I'm able to bake a cake. Second one is, I may come to the party. There is a possibility that I will come to the party, but I'm still not sure yet. But we're not going to talk about the present. Now we're going to focus on the past. These are our focus. Okay, past. This is a bit different. Models in the past form, we're using models plus have and verb 3. That means you have to remember the verb 3. Okay. We have some examples. But first of all, we use must. Must plus have plus verb 3. It's used when we feel sure about something that happened in the past. For example, someone must have taken out the book from my bag. It was still there 5 minutes ago, which means I still had it 5 minutes ago, but now it's gone, so someone must have taken it. Must is the modal, have was the have, and taken out is the verb 3. Now the second example, they must have transferred the stones by some kind of vehicles. They are very heavy. So the stones are very heavy, so it's impossible to transfer it without some kind of vehicle. That's the modals, that's have, and that's the verb 3. Okay, the second one is, well, you can use may, you can use might, you can use could, plus have plus verb 3. These three modals can be used at the same, they're not different. So we use it if we think something was possible, but we're not sure about it yet. For example, I can't find my wallet, I might have left it in the car just now. So I'm not sure if I left it in the car, but that's possible. Second one, Stonehenge could have been a place for observing the stars. Well, Stonehenge, it happened in the past. We're not sure, but there's always a possibility that it happened in the past. The last one is current plus have plus verb 3. This one, you use it if you feel sure that something didn't happen in the past. So if you're not sure, then don't use this. For example, I can't have left it at home. I just used it like 15 minutes ago. So it's impossible that I left it at home because I just used it like 15 minutes ago. The second example is, they can't have built the pyramid empty-handed. The stones were very heavy. Of course, you know what pyramid is, and I'm sure you know how heavy the stones are. And it's impossible for them to build it empty-handed without any tools. So that's why we use can't have, because we're sure it didn't happen in the past. They must have used a tool. Okay, let's try some of this exercise. Number 1, change left without changing a word. See blank in the bracket is the word that you have to change in the verb 3. Very angry. So if you think someone left the room without saying anything, then what do you think it will be? Good. So it must have. The factory of B is been. Why do we have to use must? Because, well, the person left without saying a word and very angry. So must have been very angry. Let's try the second one. We don't know where they got the stones from, but they plan not bring them from somewhere far away. They're too heavy. So we're talking about the stone. The stone is very heavy. The stone very heavy. So it's impossible that they transfer it from somewhere far away. From what we learned before, so this is must be can't. So can't here it represents not in here. Have. Factory of thing is brought. You just can't have brought because we're sure it didn't happen in the past. We're sure that they didn't transfer it from a place far away because they're so heavy. Okay. Now let's try the third one. He hasn't called me back. He planned in the bracket not get my message. So if someone didn't call you back, even though you've messaged that person, so what do you think? Okay, good. So something is possible, but we're not sure yet. So you can use might, because there's not here, just put not. Don't forget have. Factory of can is gotten. So if he hasn't called me back, he might not have gotten my message. Something is possible, but we are not sure yet. Now let's try the last one. I can't find Ruth anywhere in school. She left the school. So you can't find the person anywhere. So you're sure. She has left the school. So we use must have left. We use must because we are sure the person already left the school. So I hope this explanation will help you to understand models of deduction easier and